We've been hitting the grammar pretty hard, so now let's switch gears and learn some vocabulary. Without a wide vocabulary, we won't be able to use our grammatical knowledge, so let's start things off by learning how to name the colors in Latin. We will list the main colors, along with one relevant phrase in Latin to help you remember. When appropriate, we can also note some common derivatives in English, or words that are based on the Latin root, which also may help you remember the names of the colors in Latin. Ruber, rubra, rubrum. Cerassum, rubrum. Albus, alba, album. Flos, albus. Roseus, rosea, roseum. Tunica rosea. Flavus, flava, flavum. Campus, flavus. Fulvus, fulva, fulvum. Leo, fulvus. Caeruleus, caerulea, caeruleum. Caelum, caeruleum. Ravus, rava, ravum. Avis, rava. Ater, atra, atrum. Nubes, atra. Niger, nigra, nigrum. Equus, niger. Viridis, viride. Folium, viride. Purpureus, purpurea, purpureum. Pallium, purpureum. Lividus, livida, lividum. Racemi, lividi. Canus, cana, canum. Barba cana. Croceus, crocea, croceum. Vestimenta crocea. Now that we have the colors, let's build some sentences. Soracte candidum alta nive est. Fulvae comae eis sunt. Dies atri nobis veniunt. Let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.